Hello and welcome to day 7 of 12 days of homemade Christmas. Today we are making presents for my little puppies, Toby and Daisy. So we're making peanut butter puppy treats. So first we're going to start by mixing 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of water, and 2.5 cups of flour. I am going to be using my stand mixer, and we're going to use the paddle attachment. So we're just going to mix this until it looks more like dough. Okay, so this looks right about done. So what we're going to do is take the dough. I'm going to get it off the paddle. It's not very sticky. And right now we're going to roll it out. Now you want to make sure your peanut butter does not have xylitol in it because that is not good for dogs. So now we're going to cut these out. I have this little bone treat cutter for puppies. Let's cut our dog treats. When you run out of space to cut, you just keep rolling and it'll smooth back out and you'll have more space. So here's one. You want to bake these for 1 hour. But if your dog is older and he has sensitive teeth, you want to cook it for 40 minutes so it's softer. So these are not like cookies. You don't have to space them a couple inches apart, but don't just shove them right next to each other. So we're gonna go put these in the oven at 350 degrees. And don't forget, if your puppy's old and they have sensitive teeth, only put it in for 40 minutes. But if they don't have sensitive teeth, only put them in for an hour. So they are all out of the oven and they are cooled down. They look perfect. So now let's let the doggies taste test them. You wanna try it? Is it yummy? Yeah.
Toby likes it.
Daisy?
Daisy's jealous.
Oh, Daisy, get your own. Oh, yummy. So I'm going to bag these up for their stocking and their Christmas present. Thank you for joining us on day 7 of our 12 days of homemade Christmas. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.